Hi guys, welcome to another YouTube tutorial. Today I'll be retouching an image by Prince Mason. He's a Nigerian photographer, I think based in Lagos. Um, I'll will be doing I'll be retouching the image mainly using a little bit of frequency separation and a little bit of more dodge and burn. Today I'll be trying to concentrate mainly on just using the dodge and burn as the process of retouching the image. I'll post his YouTube channel in the link in the description. Check out his work. He's very good. He's amazing work, and hope you guys like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, thank you very much. So this is the image we're going to be working on today. Let me just zoom in a little bit. It's a very high quality image. As you can see, there's not a lot to do, just a couple of areas that we are going to remove spots on using the frequency separation. I'm feeling, I think I'm going to edit this image as a black and white. Yeah, I think it will look much better in black and white. So let me go to profile, and then I'll pick that black and white right there. As you can see, I think that will look wonderful. Okay, not a lot to do in this part right here, so we're going to open the image. Let's just wait for the image to load. And here we go. Okay, so we are going to try to work non-destructively today. So what we're going to do is Control J to create a duplicate of the image. Then I will quickly go down to my action panel, pull out the frequency separation layer, and I will try to do let me try to use the radius of 10 on this image, 10.5. Let me see, 10.5. I think let me just zoom out. I think 10.5 is good. I just have a feeling that 10.5 is going to work perfectly with this image right here. So high layer, high layer, yes. Then we'll just go and pick up the the spot healing brush, zoom in, Control plus if you're on a PC, just zoom in quite a lot, and you can just increase increase the size of your brush by the size of your spot healing brush by using the bracket keys. So just hover around the areas that you want to clean. You can increase the size depending on how small the pimples or the blemishes you want to remove. So I'll just go ahead and clean these areas right here. I think sorry, I think this part I'll just fast forward, and then we'll yeah, let me just fast forward this process right here, and then we'll get to what we are here for. Okay. Okay, now that we have done a little bit of the removing of the blemishes, let's just recheck. This is before, and that's the after. Before, after. So what we're going to do next is use going on the low layer, go to your brushes, and then pick out the mixer brush. It's underneath the brush presets. Mine is set as above. Those are the settings that I've used the most. It's a clean brush, and I set my wetness to 9. So okay, today we'll try to do a different type of we'll just actually use the lasso tool as a mixer. So we'll do okay, let's what I'm not going to go in and brush the highlights, I mean the mid-tones and all that stuff. What I'm actually going to do is just jump to, let me zoom in. I'll pick up my lasso tool, or you can just click out. I will select areas that I want to clean using the frequency separation. Like here, I'll go something like this. Just select an area of the face. It doesn't need to be perfect. Select an area of the face, filter, blur, Gaussian blur. My radius is set to 10.5, so like in the previous video, all you need to do is multiply that by 3 to get your new radius if you're going to use using the mixer brush. I mean, yeah, the mixer brush using the lasso tool. So it's 10.5 multiplied by 3, that will give me 31.5. So let's see, 31.5. So that's the set. That's going to be my Gaussian blur. Yeah, so I'll just do that and then press OK. So let's quickly see. That was before, and then that's after. So just go back, select an area using your lasso tool. Doesn't need to be perfect. Filter, and just click on Gaussian blur, and then it will apply those settings. So that's what I'll be doing for now. I'll select the area I want to blur out, Gaussian blur, filter, Gaussian blur, this area right here. Let's see if it will allow me to get close to the edge. I hope that did not clip in. Okay, filter, and there you go, just like that. That's for me the fastest way to use frequency separation. Okay, sorry, did not need to move that. Okay, a little bit here. Just that ridge above the eyebrows. A bit on this side as well. I went out. I'll just move this a little bit in. Filter, Gaussian blur. Okay, let's click here. Okay, let's quickly look at the before. That's the before, and that's the after. Before, after. Okay, so I'm just going to speed this process up again, and then we'll meet at the dodge and burn. Okay, just continue watching. your new radius that you're going to use. Okay, so okay, now we're going to go in and open up the dodge and bend. So I'll start with the dodge. Idea is just to bring back some of the features that we lost while using the frequency separation. So I'll go to my brushes, normal brush, make sure that your flow is at 0. Sorry, at least your flow is at 1. Should be a white brush, and just slowly just paint in the highlights. The idea is to paint the highlights, just make them stand out. You will not notice what you are doing immediately, but the changes will be there. So this is, let me quickly see, before, after. Okay, as you can see, the ridge of the nose and the brow is slowly popping up. I want to bring back some of the highlights. Oh, sorry. The cheek area, and a little bit on the chin. Always look at your before and after to just see what changes, subtle or not, that you have made. Okay. I think I'll reduce my opacity, because I think my dodge is just a little bit too strong. Okay, I'll go in and dodge a little bit of a mix just to make them stand out, the inside areas. Let me see, before and after. Before and after. I think I'll just reduce the opacity probably to 50%. Let me see. Let me just try to zoom out and see how the image looks like from far, because that's how the image will be viewed. I think it's still a little bit too much. Yeah, I think okay, that's fine. 29%. So zoom back in, pull out bend, try to shape the face. A little bit on the cheeks, just to give a face definition. Okay, you can easily see how you are able to bring back those nice cheekbones just by doing that. A little bit on the jaw here. Okay, needs to be defined. I want the face, the features to stand out. Okay, let me see. I'll reduce it some more. Okay, I think that's fine right there. So I'll just speed up the whole process, and then I think we will be done with this image. So guys, check out Chris Mason's channel in the link in the description. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next one.